It's time for the final steps with this 1954 wedding dress restoration. I started by flipping the dress inside out and ironing out the heavier wrinkles. This way the hem could be nice and smooth. I noticed while it was out in the sun that there were still some heavy stains. I tackled these individually with a little bit of diluted bleach, a fresh Q-tip, and then used a plastic bag to make sure nothing transferred onto the pink satin underneath. By doing this, I was able to separate the two layers and isolate the stain. Now I can go in with the Q-tip and start to work at those individual spots. I do this in a dabbing motion only because I don't want to rub it around and agitate the fabric. After that, I soaked it with water and then pressed everything out between the plastic bag and a paper towel. Voila! And here she is. There was no way I wasn't going to take this one out into the sun. The pink became so vibrant. Now there was one thing that I took a little bit of my own creative liberty with. I actually really liked it with the scallops flipped down, and it revealed some details. The silhouette on this is just amazing. And then doesn't this turn this into something just epic? It truly looks like the most princessy of princess gowns ever. Plus the length on this hits perfectly just over the end of the dress. It gives almost a cloud-like effect. Now here it is, styled like the original owner had it, with both the collar and the scallops flipped up. It's pretty impressive to see these side by sides, and I'm shocked at how much more pink this is. I don't know which styling was your favorite, so make sure you let me know in the comments. This was another restoration that was absolutely worth it. The dress is ready and waiting for its second chance now. Thanks for watching!